Hello, today we'll learn how to use the HOKUHOKU Line.
Taking trains in Japan can be pretty difficult.
That's true, but after this video, it will be a piece of cake. First, we need some tickets. Try buying them at the machine.
We're going to Matsudae, right?
Yeah.
The station names are written in English. Okay, I bought one.
Great, but if you are not sure, you can always ask a member of staff.
What time is the next train to Matsudae?
次の松田駅は4時55分ですね。
Okay, thank you.
The train bound for
A train is coming.
and Saigata will soon be arriving at platform 5. For your safety, please stand behind the yellow line. The train bound for Naoitsu and
Okay, let's get on the
Saigata
train.
will soon be arriving at platform 5.
Door went open.
Yeah, you have to open them yourself. Try pressing the button. Let's go.
It's such a small train.
Yes, the HOKUHOKU Line trains have either one or two carriages, and there's no conductor.
Oh, I see.
お待たせいたしました。北北線経由普通列車直江津行き、まもなく発車いたします。
It looks like we're arriving. Yeah.
The door went open.
Yes, the exit is the front of the train. This is an unmanned station, so you need to pass your ticket to the driver as you exit the train.
ありがとうございました。
Okay. Okay, good. In fact, only the doors on the front carriage open at a manned station.
I see. So that means I should use the doors at the back of the front carriage when I get on the train?
That's right. The entrance is at the back, and the exit is at the front.
Okay, I hope I can remember. Yesterday, when I came from Tokyo, I transferred to the HOKUHOKU Line in Echigo-Yozawa Station. But when I got off the train, I was asked to pay an extra fee. Why?
Okay, I'll explain. It's because the HOKUHOKU Line is not part of the JR Rail network. Some JR tickets do not include the cost of travel on the HOKUHOKU Line. So depending on your ticket type, you may be asked to pay the remaining fee when you get off the train.
I see. That's why I had to pay a little more.
The HOKUHOKU Line operates between Saigata and Muikamachi. It merges with JR lines beyond these stations, connecting Echigo-Yuzawa and Naoetsu.
Ah, that's convenient.
Well, I hope my explanation has made taking HOKUHOKU Line easier.
Yes, I think I'll be okay now.
Remember, if you're not sure,
You can always ask a member of staff.